Good afternoon, everyone. It's Fiona from Yellow Brick Road, St Mary's, and it's Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to discuss self-employed loans for those who are contractors, who are sole traders, and also small businesses, and how you can get a loan just like everybody else. Now, when you're self-employed and you're applying for a home loan, it's better to have been in your business for at least 2 years, and that would be to get one of the most competitive rates on the market. The banks like to see 2 years worth of tax returns and your financial statements. Okay, this really supports you getting the market leading rates that are available at the time. Second point is to do your taxes regularly and to pay them on time. Now, the banks love to see that you're paying your taxes, that you do your taxes regular and you have good record keeping skills. Show that, so for the financial year 16 into 17, they're all done, ready to go. And also pay them regularly, all right? Pay them on time, pay them monthly, whatever you need to do. Lastly, when you're applying for a self-employed home loan, it's really important to make sure your income is high and your expenses are lower. All right, now when I say income are high, what happens a lot of the time with self-employed clients, they like to have a high income and then their expenses are really high, so it looks like they only earn a small amount, which is great, but it's not for the banks. The banks need to see that you have money left over at the end of the month that they can use to service the loan that you want to have. All right, so lower your expenses, and that also means credit card debts, personal debts, that kind of stuff as well. Now, if you don't fit into the category of having 2 years worth of financials and your 2 years tax returns, it's not the end of the world. Speak to your broker. There are low doc options and your broker will have this information for you. So there are lots of options out there. So that's it. If you need any further information on this topic, feel free to leave a message in the comments box and have a great week.